the major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura
for me ma obibia akwa ba de batuma gh anyday munia ba mo som for Mexico na me dey nsabo a circulate wo oman mu e ba be som na tie for we dey are wo sem na ende si ye ka se esi kra wo be down to say there be we dey enche da enya possible na so ye ka se eye abayu bi ani din ambeto jam wonu ani mami a wache mu ne wonu wa wo hwe a wo mu sensem a na even da wo be wo krampo no hwe se ne a wa ya wo mu na abawe onu ani mami a wache mu ne wonu wa chi na eku no asa etwitwa ne nam te se obi a wo be ye beef stew ana se goat soup na etiefo ne a enkyeremu kyere ne se abawe yi ne sofo ema editu just ne mame no wo ye befo na no na wantumi engina no a wedi ni mami ewusenetie for nsemu yi audio kamo yenkoti.
Because I really don't know why and which reason we make this girl do what she do, and it is very bad. No matter the reason, no matter why she dey do her, na bad idea and a bad thing she do. It no go help her. It no go change any situation. We make her take this decision when she takes. So my people, the story can start from she let go her own mama, as in the mama when born her, the woman when born her, when carry her come this world. Now she let go for inside room. She let go the woman finish for inside room. She come still carry the woman head. She can't remove the woman head. Go throw away for where she want throw away and put. Then the remaining part of the body. So that her mama when she don't let go, so the remaining
for me ma obibia akwa ba biem enam se are wo sem ya esi na che se bebrebo bon se be ye den wo audio no se wo te amama to me sa frɛ ya sister Miss Benis so me ka no na en se mi ye ncheche ya dwembo bo mo fa mo ni di echi mi ya ba ma wa kwa ba se bibia ye fine di na de radio assist Mama why fe anope na me nua ba wo hwe sare wo sem ya esi abayu aboa wo maame achim wa wo na wai ne ni ma wo mu oyaw insensem chesa abofra ni be so na twaka wonda na wanji so a wo na wo ji wo maame nkwa efri ni semesa sa wo sofo bi se o maame ye befu wa den kire wo ho ne se
ni kai me dementia be ma wa hwefo na asem wodi e ya we ho sempa na na me bisa se obi me ka se obi entimi enhwe onyankopon efe ne sen na adwen na se na oye na adi so what you say nyankopon ni enti a ode wo ema maame na mpo se maame ni boye be ko anka se ne obeso ose wanka wase wo dada obewe wanka wo dada yes obetwe anyem for 9 good months ashwa bedu bebia wedu ansana obeka so ba me do o abetete wa bra bodi bi na mpo se sampo a empo no nyankopon nim ne nti o de odi wa ba se ebusu enu ebia ne obu o ha obetimi ya be breaki sa kind of situations na ko ebia na won say ya do no mokwa osofo no o betwe ne se bia we na okum o hawa okum we ya okum enu ntina ohun when ni sa o hawa ni na free o ma me ho
sa na ko ba
ha nti no se nyankopon nim ono osofo no wonye nyankopon o ti mi nhre ni nti nyankopon de wo ba se ebusu enu nti nyankopon nim nti do ba ebusu ebia na ebe na mu so ana ebia wa be wokoji aman aboa ebusu enu ni na ohun ebetuma na mu so nti na ebusu enu ni abenya oma aje every sa situation no nti what me fa asem no ento we mu sa say mama ya be fo nti no e fe ne say mi kunu efi ewiase yeah, no, if you're only 1 year obeying sounds happening. I have a swallow.
So we see who can see much, just and then my money a bay phone pa. And say the option will take here and I know I will take it.
Because there's one open nipa. And a Bible also say, but as I say, yes, so I say. And see, where are you? To see a mamma and 1 year away in there with yes, as I saw about the swallow. Nti wo one crown ko no ntimi career wo show that nuclear shaman no asan so ajo ma media asan so aso
na enu mponko akoba the same so aban sai ne
asan so san
I say I will
it's punishment
we do want me about me tell say about the show aso for no mo so a se o me yi kire sa wo ase wo kan ro sai ana eya ana se bia ne ma me ne ye be for kra no mko ahead ka eye na se wo ye be for kra kwan be so na ka ese wo mo fa esi e kan na before be bo we ma answer me no won se Bible mo ko bisi e bra David e ko fa eye ne na ko ana so ni ko ye djuma ma no ko fa na yire no won se nu echi no nyame so ma eye the prophet ko ne nchen ba wo nkwan a odi a question to where David and ma David na echechere no wo ne se anka ya asofo no de sa nimdie na yi ne to anka ebeboa
me won se beboa na so funu pi wo ho a me agree with omo ebi mu no say situations be say ba omo nka encho no mecho no se bompai na ebi omo nso aka wo ho na fasting ni anyway na enti senka so fu ni na ede yes, that kind of way. Omo practice that kind of example of so for now. Omo ka and some ni MP publicly sir. Oh, say na wukum. Or how say na wukum. Never go out. Be say and to one be a few so. Or we can say few so, but so we both a jean say. O see me say and a yo JB. Want me more side. Sana is like a so for ni na but it is quite unfortunate say. School and yet will be as out of school and you'll be an call the proper ones, the good ones next shred idea and you'll be an course I didn't do. Or but Anna Ham says a soft opinion self-acclaimed software or one
sana who say fake in the doors
and doors.
Now me per se me say see asem we so also for who so be mami e be for ne papa e be for so ka chi ni pa
Baby. And I make her say,
o ka se mu first no metene say wo betumi aka ba wo mbodin den ya waka it's na masa so question na ma o say wo say wo ka na wo mbodin na wo nka kra that wo be hu in a different
and wo be here say nipa ni be hu say ade a okom am say ene efri nti bia efri obusuye mu nipa ni bompa ya obenya injina so papa e de abompai e bia huhum say free me papa gusu huhum say free mama gusu huhum say free me gusu em bia free me bloodline mu say me crashes how hum say obetimi nya injina papa e de abompai enu nti na huhum nya so be want nipa na ti asese e bia no fu bia woni omo enam ana sa how we e free omo nti obehwe na na mutu mu yi afa so abusuafo oni omo relate obehwe ni yie e bia na we aduane bia ya akodi we hu say na oni omo be relate so what you say wo be here so we say oh we go baby asem ni e free oh how we be e free we go try say see and I'm to na mu how say ana problems we e free to say if you be careful how my dog bon but say we go ni pani din so ma me o wa pa no eno na ye din some so eno na because say me mfo aso
edin die se
no die
o bokra
na auntie
asem
o so awe
se we be kasa ho na e ka asem okay me niaba na wo susu say anka eye members na ankasa build on ho hia anka udi emu hia say wo be hu say we na eyo ana bi so say anya no nam ni moja na nya edawo ente eden ya nipa na wo ni na nya no ni mu no e na anka hu hia po say anka wo be hu nti nka hu hia sa sofo no be pinpoint say we e be for we say but e bia nkran hyese mu bi na ka ese wo boa wo senya wankasa no you be okay in prayers nti I'll say pray all kinds of prayers nti kam to say anka ehun hia say onipa be hu nia wo ye no but obey conscious says at the same time any ene monam ni moja na event no someone in here don't I don't want here.
No kware ɛho hia sɛ wobɛhu sɛ nipa pɔtee bi sɛ ne ɛna ɛyɔ
Sana ma prayer.
ɛno no saa na ɛbɛsɛ wo nso ne wei ɛna ebi a wɔn sɛ yɛsɛ the devil you know is better than the angel you do not know nti sɛ wobɛhu sɛ saa nipa wei ebi no abɛtwe wo nkura fi na fɛ de ade ɔbɛyɛ wɔ akyire no koraa no ebɛnya wo sɛ but wobɛn ne mu a ɛna wobɛhu nea ɔyɛ like certain things bi ɔyɛ a ɛnyɛ de ɛmmoa so what I say nti me hu ne sɛ one nka ho hia sɛ ɛbɛpie sɛ osi na sisi wobɛhu osi na sisi but another side of it no so hwɛ so a there is benefit in knowing say baby asem a ukuma na problems a ko say and if and no wow prayer point so what I saw bomb prayer betimi aboa onya baby abetimi gina baby abehu ahet pa a wo de mpagbon ready e be ko directly one way or the other no aboa another way so
ne ba bisa o say comment bi aba say anka hu hia because it's stress you mu emma wo ebia instead of you thank God, ubede nyame ase, and you worship God, you appreciate God. Now I drink now was me kokumbe for me deliver to bosom. Meanwhile, or susu say nyame wo to me since eye ahun ni na. It on who ni say there be and can hu hia say wo be hu po. Na wo no na yese o ma we ni da what say abo. Na all the time just anka. Wo acknowledge nyame. Na worshiping and every problem piano or Susan Kanyame will come in for you. Now I want to swear now they'll find a way so I can't want
because said I'm a kind of a but then myself can you say one way or the other no it is necessary another way is so and yet necessary sir my point is not original so say a wow prayer was a say a more direct personal or how and this killing this animal ever but yet show say this is where the situation is coming from. I was a ono phobia na say if your own influence you negatively yes in your all done when say the actually I just so be and I catch on the only and phobia who say this is what is they are doing to you and who influence on affect your life in this way. Sometimes you think about all the fun and who if you want to who yes we don't baby and you now say and our problems is saying you want to affect too this way. No why you careful. So what yes into who yes if yeah you might be see and if you move into I have to be careful about how I
time by because Bible class I will recover from until we did that. Yeah, because I final right. And yes, I am
the final one is the call obi or share me be say in situations like this no the hear on pie. Sana Bible that can say any honam any ADS into the hear so be and I feel as soft best wrong say so who declaration say and revelation be say among be declare publicly sir and trouble for the so may say and yet to say prayer point like generating it from a place where the person can just stand but more any specific say onipa osi say onipa osi say yes say assembly baba so near na mu so no na yeli onwie nti we no waku nipa no e be na nyo na atwe so ngoku wo de waka no prayer na say and etie but enyo na atwe but ni ni na echi no mo so benya the pressure of the punishment say ko say nya ban ko le betro because evidence be interest say una ho pia nipa no so ngoku no kran kwa nyankopon na nyankopon the laws no and then the wrath no is stronger than abai aham say as I say laws bia eno ehu sini nyina nti nyankopon punishment no ano ye dinte no so also ye nyame nipa pa dia you have to think about this kind of things
Venice made our society for Niasha for me, I believe they say, Wakasapa, ama won't a answer be our person. It's if for her, and I remember my pioneer demo SC. That's a near best I share, and then so when you have my sick cow, and I'm thinking it's on the song. But what the other share and like it, a promoted channel. After one subscriber and so to Sana on the did you make the Bia to one, once on what to me, I can be the best I share my crown.